I gave you my heart. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. So now if you bought a Rubik's Cube or not, if you didn't buy a Rubik's Cube, watch this video. If you bought a Rubik's Cube, then watch this video too, because this is a secret. So now firstly, as you can see, Rubik's Cube, as you can see, inside right here, also on the Rubik's logo, actually has the logo, and it says Rubiks.com. So please go search for that, and here is the screen record. Okay, so now I'm at my phone. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to Google, and after that you're gonna type Rubiks.com as in the field says Rubiks.com. And after that, what you're gonna do, you're gonna keep the North America. Okay, so now what you're gonna do now is you're gonna go back to your, and now you can actually buy what do you want, and this is how you solve a Rubik's Cube now. So now firstly, what you're gonna do now is that you're gonna go to your hints at tips and solutions. So you're gonna press explore, and now here are solution guides. Select the puzzle you wish to solve it. 2x2, 2x2 Rubik's Cube, 3x2 Rubik's Cube, 4x4, or 5x5. So now what you're gonna do after that, you're gonna go read your guide. Okay. And then after you read your guide, so now as you can see, there are actually videos you can actually watch. So now if you wanna watch, then you can actually watch these things. But if you wanna read, you can just download it and find it in your downloads. So that's how you solve a Rubik's Cube. So I recommend you to watch the Rubik's Cube videos. So make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and comment below what kind of video you want to make. And as always, peace.